What's going on, guys? H-Town Vlogs here. We got another vlog today going on. Link up with the homies. Step out real quick. Link up with the homies and we're gonna hit the range. It's a little foggy day. It's nice to me. I fuck with the weather. Little butter out. But yeah, guys, it wasn't nothing else to do. I was just fucking sitting in bed like, the fuck are we gonna do today? But yeah, we just decided we're gonna hit the range. We got a few shits we're gonna bring, you know. Nothing too big. We only got like little 22, 2 pistols and shit, a little 9mm. Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video, and just please subscribe and then comment ideas y'all want to see for videos, because honestly, I mean, I'm only sticking to cars and guns really, so between those two things, you know, what's some shit I can do for y'all that y'all will watch, you know, I'll do it. But yeah, guys, I'll start it back up when I met up with all the homies and we're there, and yeah, guys. Bro, this man just took my passenger princess, bro. Hey, man. Bro, get my shit, bro. Hey, that's on the drippiest one here, bro. This is hooligan number 1. That's hooligan number 2. Hey, what Richard be saying? What that shit be he be saying?
Some weird ass
Nick and poop. Yeah, that's you. Get my shit, bro. Don't tear the tags. I gotta keep it pristine.
This man put him in the seatbelt and everything.
Yes, bro. That's my passenger princess.
Show them, bro. That's mine.
Finna head up with another homie, bro. But yeah.
You're gonna rev it too.
Should I rev it, bro? It's a fucking gun video, not a car video. Head ass. Nah, you want to?
Yeah.
Fuck it. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we finna be there. I'll start recording again when we're there. Yeah, we found this RCF doing some fools, but we revved it at the lot. I wish we caught it on camera.
He's on road. Get him the red one more time for the video, bro.
Alright.
I'll put out to the camera.
Dude, that Mustang that revved out of nowhere too, bro.
Alright, let's go.
It's tough as fuck. Alright, y'all, we finna be at the range, bro. I'll record when we there. Alright, y'all, we at the range, bro. We finna get shit popping. We got a little competition going on. We're gonna see who shoots best. Alright, for sure. We gotta test some shit out too. Make sure shit working and everything's straight. But yeah, we're just getting set up right now, guys. I hope y'all can hear me, bro. We're gonna get started on this shit.
It's stuck on the extractor.
This shit fucking up.
Hold on.
It's stuck on the extractor, bro.
Yeah, even worse than before too.
Alright, you ready? Alright, tell him what to do.
Hold on.
Oh, Eddie. I'm sorry, you're sorry now.
Let's see. Oh shit.
I'm trying to see this.
Dude, I hit hits.
Go.
Chris's. Both of them busting. I feel that shit from here, that 4.5. Andy, it's a 9. Control that recoil. For real, that shit loose again.
You gotta have to get your dad to take it.
Yeah.
Alright, don't keep shooting, bro, so you can go already.
Let's go.
Alright, keep shooting, Andy.
I fucking suck. I hit Chris's shit.
Yeah, you fucked up, man. You fucked up the whole. Actually, you got 2 on target.
How are we gonna know who hit who now?
I'll mark him, but he hasn't marked it.
Wait, are you done?
Oh, he got that.
Put it down.
Same there, yeah, I totally lied about having 22 and 9. We got a lot of big shit.
Let me see this. I never seen this bitch before. Look, ain't nobody. You can't even see. You seen the Glock with a safety? That shit died, I think.
No, I'm still recording. It does that. They hold 10. Oh shit. I have to get that round back, son.
Well, I'm gonna take a picture of this shit.
I'm ready, bro.
he got the Taurus out over here. Damn, that is loud for no reason. Damn.
Yeah.
That is so loud. Where you aiming, Slime? Where you hitting this?
Talking a good video?
Oh yeah. I seen you hitting the headshots too, bro.
Okay, what?
I seen you hitting headshots too.
For real?
Yeah. We finished.
Which one do I go first? Which one?
Huh?
30?
30.
You shoot it first.
Me?
What are you shooting?
Alright. Yeah, I need to shoot my 30.
What are you shooting?
Huh? It's the 30.
Some
real quick. That ass. Gotta get popping.
It's probably some of the setback ones, bro.
I'm not even shooting at my target. I forgot. Oh, hell no. I don't know.
Yo, what are you shooting at?
Let me try one, bro.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
How many more rounds are in that one?
I'm tripping, man. Huh?
How many more
sit-
rounds?
Did the safety work?
Yeah, it stops the trigger from me. Yeah.
Oh, is he shooting your new one?
Yeah. I don't know why, dude. That shit makes me fucking.
I want to shoot that one.
Yeah, I need to get more used to it, bro.
You have more ammo?
He has only a little bit.
Just those 3.
Oh yeah, 3.
Look.
Damn.
357.
357.
You put 3 in ball.
I can't believe I fucked up shooting the 4.5.
I need to record this guy too.
This 10. Oh, that is 357. Damn. Oh, 33 too, so we don't.
They turned down.
Bro, the 10 is not even that bad.
Maybe.
I'm expecting this bitch to dance like crazy, bro. This shit
I think it's tough though. It's not. It's tough. Just put a couple rounds.
No, I'm gonna fill it up. Might as well.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah. I'm gonna do this new 19.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
There you go.
Hold on, I gotta get my shit right here.
Ooh.
That bit's blowing. Yeah, it don't matter. Don't matter. I don't know. I'm tweaking soon in the range. I like. Damn.
Should we test our finger trigger?
We can, right? That trigger finger contest.
You
But
do what?
it's kind of fucked up. We're the only people in here, actually.
I mean, it's better, eh? Just the one?
Let's do a couple laps in there.
I know, right? So, should I load up the 7.62?
I thought you had that bitch.
Yeah, 7.62, bro. Oh, Andy finna go.
I got 9 rounds, so 2.
Oh, we put it in.
Okay. He fucking
Hold that
messing
bitch
me
tight,
up,
bro.
bro.
Huh? Hold that bitch tight.
2,
Yeah.
right?
He shot a 10
Two.
before.
It's not that bad, bro. It's not that bad.
For sure. That big ass fireball, too.
Huh?
They had a big ass fireball.
You can shoot this bitch too.
They gonna go crazy when we got 7.62.
Let me shoot that Taurus, bro.
It's 12.
I like the trigger on that, bro, for some reason.
It's hard. This is like my second time shooting it.
For real?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's see the other.
You know how we doing.
You recorded.
Andy, the cameraman. Hey, y'all, hope y'all enjoying the video right now. We're just loading up real quick. We're finna get started again. Huh? Yeah, I did.
The other box? Huh? The other box? The other box. The other box is 9mm. Give us I fucked up shooting that thing.
100 rounds? Where you get that?
You wanna blow that bitch? This nigga. Alright, whenever you're ready, flick that down, and it's gonna put one in the chamber, alright?
Tight, bro.
Hold it tight. Yeah, keep it low.
Keep it low.
Damn.
Let me go. Yeah. Keep it low, bro.
Keep it low.
Shoot at the ground. Hold it tight. I'll pull it down and put it down.
So, not bad, Dandy, not bad.
Yo.
You think it would work?
It's that 24. 19.
Should I rapid fire?
Yeah. Let's see who has the faster trigger.
Keep it steady.
Let's see who has the
You
faster
don't think
trigger.
he say nothing?
Huh?
You don't think he say nothing?
Nah. Well, if anything, he'll come tap you.
Huh?
He'll come tap you if anything.
Shit. Okay. Yeah, that's right.
Alright, let me go.
We got a bunch of hooligans in here, buddy.
I think he said it was okay last time, right?
Yeah, one of them, they might be different between all the
You ready?
officers. People.
He was holding at the tip like this.
For real?
Yeah, he was like,
How does he shoot so fast, bro?
yeah, that was good though. That was
good
good.
or
That
bad?
was, it almost sounded like a button, bro.
full auto, bro. God.
I thought it was full auto
They
for
gonna
a
think
second.
we got a
dog.
switch on this bitch. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna double Taurus.
The Taurus?
Yeah.
You missed that shit, huh?
Ready?
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna record when we get out and give a little summary type shit. Alright, y'all. We just got done, bro. I feel like I was tripping shooting, bro. I was off flat. Andy, bro. Yeah, bro. I feel like I can shoot better outside. I don't know why. It's different shooting in the range. Hell yeah, y'all. We had a good time.
Show them.
Yeah, we didn't even do this competition shit for real, but hey, as y'all can see, I won. Head ass.
Actually, I
I
won.
didn't get no fucking
Look at me.
bonus.
And you got nothing, bro.
We fucked up the snowman.
You don't
Yeah.
condone none of this dangerous stuff, so.
Yeah, but hey, when y'all at the range, bro, y'all practice good safety rules and don't do
be
no
like
wild
Andy.
shit. Yeah. Don't be like Andy, bro. None of y'all be like Andy for real. As long as you're not like Andy, I think you good.
As long as you're not Andy, y'all can come in.
But yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching the vlog. Drop down below in the comments what y'all want to see me record next, and we'll get started on the next video whenever. I'll see y'all.